So Tiana, what are you watching?
Dumbo.
Tiana, you're gonna have to have a little break from Dumbo because I've got a little surprise for you.
Alright.
Someone has sent you a message. Yeah, someone sent you a message. So, do you want to see the message? What's been sent for you? Over to you, Mama.
Really?
Okay, Tiana, press play.
Hi Tiana, thank you for being such a great fan. I love your YouTube videos. You are amazing. You're hilarious. I love you so much.
So what's up? Not talking.
How sweet of Jojo, T.
Very nice of her, wasn't it, to send you that message and she likes your videos? So that's cool. Hey? Someone gone quiet. Is someone gone emotional? Oh, bless. Look at Tiana's face.
Aww. Has that made your day? You've got tears in your eyes.
Hello, Jordan. In your little hiding place. So, Tiana, do you know what we can do now to celebrate that message you've received? Because you're a big fan of Jojo, aren't you? Mommy!
Oh no, oh come on. Wait.
You just know we're going to have to do this. Oh, yes. Look at this, guys. We've got the Warheads selection. So, Super Sour Warhead champs on the plane. Okay. Sour candy. We've got the sour dippers again. We've got the what flavour? The blueberry, or is it blue raspberry, Tiana? One of the favourite ones. Sour dippers.
Hi Tiana, thank you for being such a great fan. I love your YouTube videos. You are amazing. You're hilarious. I love you so much. Thank you, Jojo, for the awesome message. I love you too. Awesome.
Do you love these two?
No.
Okay, so it's night time for the challenge, the Warheads. So who's going to be tasting the sour dipper first?
Me.
Oh, you're in the mood, Tiana. Tiana's in the mood. She's been emotional all day, but yes, she's in the mood. All right then, Tiana's up first. So Tiana, you don't want this one?
No.
You wanted this one?
Yeah.
That's Mum's favourite.
Look, since I don't like it, bye-bye.
Right, okay, then let's try that one. So it's lick, 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 lollipop, then dip, dip, dip. Okay, you're up. What's that, your flashlight? Oh yeah. Alright then, come on then, Tiana.
Yummy, yummy.
What's the flavour again? Just remind me of the flavour. Blue raspberry.
No.
Let's have a look at the goodie inside. Look at that. Big lick, big dip. Looking good. We'll go for another dip, T. One more dip. One. Can you manage one more? I'll tell you what. This is how you do it. Look, this is the dip. This is a proper dip. Blue. Mmm. Sour.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know who's not? Do you know who's up next? Mommy. So, Mummy's favourite is up.
Not.
Yes, it is. You love it. Watch Mum's tongue just go blue straight away, guys. Watch this. Immediately goes blue. So look at the tongue then. Told you, didn't I? Oh, I wonder if Jordan's feeling peckish. I wonder if he's feeling peckish. Jordan, do you want to try some of these sour dippers? Can you remember these before, the sour dipper ones? I think there's one that's already open. Do you have a go? You have some big squirts of that, you'll do you good. You'll make you sleep better on the plane. Tiana,
Yeah.
you'll sleep like a baby now, Jordan.
What?
Watch this, watch this. Oh! Oh! Jordan's sampling the worst of the worst. Oh! We've got warheads everywhere. Did you go in your eye, Tiana?
It's not on my hatchet.
Oh, it's safe.
Oh,
It's
thanks
just,
a lot.
oh, that's so funny. So it's down to me. Do you know what? I'm gonna try watermelon and blue raspberry sour dipper.
Yeah.
Here we go then, guys. Nervous times to control his lip. All right, here we go. Ah!
Ew.
Oh!
Stay still.
Oh, my face is gone. Face freeze. Oh, crazy.
Ever such a thing, face.
Yeah, it's tingly. All right. So, guys, I'm gonna try the sweet berry flavor. Just getting my lollipop a few licks. Ready to dive in. Oh yeah. Look at that. Get in there. Taste time. Whoa. So that's over with then, Tiana. Warheads on the plane challenge is come to an end.
Yeah.
Jordan's got blue lips. Mom's got a blue tongue. And I've got tingly cheeks.
Green one.
Green tongue?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, I've got green tongue. So Tiana, cool video. Back in the UK very soon.
Yeah, thank you so much, JJ, for the message. It really
Yeah, we did another video, Warheads challenge on the plane, so you can go check that out. I'll leave a link in the description down below. See you later.
So, yeah, that's all for today. See you guys soon. Bye.
6.5 hours later.
Stand about certainly 10 minutes
Hello.
early.
We're in
So the time
England. We're in England. Tiana's hiding under her blankets on her bed.
It'll look grey and rainy this morning, light rain.
England.
Rain and drizzle and cloudy with a temperature of 10 degrees.
Tiana, are you having this breakfast? Tiana. Tiana. Well, I'm having your breakfast then. Got strawberries on that plate. You want me strawberries your favourite? Ooh. There's 5 strawberries on the plate, Tiana, and I'm going to have them all for my breakfast. I'm going to come over and have them strawberries. Look at them, Tiana. Seriously. Better than Warheads, strawberries. Oh. Right, Tiana. Right, Tiana, where's the iPad? Smiggle iPad. Is it in your sneaky drawer? Right, here's Tiana's sneaky drawer. Down there. Sneaky drawer. Handing over to mother. Sneaky, sneaky. So, are they yummy? Tiana. Strawberry? How was your flight? Tiring? Well, Gianna, you've had about an hour's sleep. Because you would not go to sleep, you was just watching films and playing games on the TV. So you're going to be really tired today. Well, we're here now. We're in the UK. Boom. Strawberries. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Boom.
Go fight her. Go.
Yeah, I know.
Go get her.
Ah, you lost Ryan. Go ahead. Papa.
There you go. Try again.
Try again.